Now please see this next question. Again a very beautiful question which can be solved so easily. Now see here. Your question is the ratio of milk and water. The ratio of milk and water in a mixture is 1:3. That means there is a vessel. Milk and water ratio is given as 1:3. This is the first statement. If we add x liter of milk to the mixture, that means I am adding x liters of milk to the mixture, then the ratio becomes 7:15. Because I am adding x liters of milk, the ratio becomes 7:15. This is my second statement. And if we add 50 liters of water to the mixture, if we add 50 liters of water, if I add 50 liters of water to the new mixture, then the ratio now becomes 2:5. The ratio now becomes 2:5. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Again, very logical way of problem solving. Start from bottom, take it to the top. Simple way of solving. Can I say that here in this case I am adding water, so milk is not affected. Milk is not affected means 7 and 2 should become the same number. That number is nothing but 14. So multiply this value by 7, multiply this value by 2. If I multiply them with 7 and 2, then it becomes 2 into 7:15. It is nothing but 14:30. 7 into 2:5. It is nothing but 14:35. Now observe carefully. According to the ratio, water initially is 30 liters. Finally, water is 35 liters. That means I added 5 liters of water. According to ratio, I added 5 liters of water. But according to the question, it is given here as I added 50 liters of water. 5 is becoming 50. Multiplying factor is 10. All these values should be multiplied by 10 then. That means the new value becomes 140, 300, 140, 350. Check it out. Earlier it was 300, now it became 350. That means I added 50. Now this is this box from the bottom. Go to the top right now. So easily, beautifully you can solve it, sir. Go to the top. Can I say that milk and water, it is in the ratio 1:3. I am adding some liters of milk. I am adding some liters of milk. That means water will not change. Whatever water which was present here, same water came here, or whatever water which is present here, same water should be present here also. That means water should be 300. That means milk should be 100, right? Then only 100:300 is 1:3. Initially 100 liter milk. Next it is 140 liter milk. How much is x value? X value is 40. Again a very beautiful question. Please see this question, sir. Your question is, in a vessel, milk is 60% less than water. Milk is 60%, 3/5 less than water. Less is nothing but decrease. I told you already that whatever is coming after than should come in the denominator. After than water is coming. That means the denominator represents water value. That means the water value is 5. So milk value should be 3 units less than 5 units. 3 less than 5 means it should be 2. So initial ratio of milk and water, it is nothing but 2:5. It is nothing but 2:5. Next, when x liter of milk is added to the mixture, that means I am adding x liter of milk into the mixture. I am adding x liter of milk into the mixture. Then the ratio of milk and water becomes 3:5. The ratio becomes 3:5. Now see here. Now, if y liter of water is extracted from mixture, if y liter of water is extracted from mixture, from this mixture, I am taking out y liters of water, then this ratio becomes 7:10. This ratio becomes 7:10. Now means at this present situation right now, 30 liter milk is added again. So beautiful, sir. Keep on going down in this problem. 30 liters of milk is added again, and the new ratio of milk and water becomes 4:5. New ratio of milk and water becomes 4:5. Your question is find the value of x plus y. Right, find the value of x plus y. Now see here, again let us come from bottom to top. Easiest way of solving. Bottom to top, if I want to come, I am adding milk here, so water is not affected. If it is water 10 here, here also water should be 10. So 5 into 2 is 10. 4 into 2 is 8. That means 4:5 can also be written as 8:10. 4:5 can also be written as 8:10. Can I say also like this now, right? Can I say that 7 liters of milk was present according to ratio? Now 8 liters of milk is present. That means according to my assumption, 1 liter of milk is added. But the question says 30 liters of milk is added. I hope you are understanding. According to ratio, 1 liter of milk is added. Question says 30 liters. 1 into 30 is 30. That means these all values should be multiplied by 30. 7 into 30 is 210. 10 into 30 is 300. That means at this present situation, I have 210 liters of milk, 300 liters of water. Now go little upward. If I go upward, the ratio is 3:5. Now I am removing some water from the vessel. I am removing water means milk will not change. Here the milk is 210. Here also it should be 210. 3 should become 210. Multiply by 70. 5 also multiply by 70. 70 into 3 is 210. 70 into 5 is 350. That means 350 water was present. Now 300 water is present. That means the water which is removed is 50. So y value is 50. I believe that you understood the value of y. Y value happens to be 50 in this case. Now again go further. Again go above once again. If I go above once again, so beautifully all these things can be solved. Now I am adding initial ratio of milk and water is, it is 2:5. I am adding some milk here. I am not adding any water. That means here the water is 5, but actually water here is 350. 5 should become 350. Multiply by 70. 2 also multiply by 70. 2 into 70 is 140. 5 into 70 is 350. That means initially 140 milk was present. Now 210 milk is present. 140 plus which number is 210? 140 plus 70 is 210. X value is 70. I know the value of x. I know the value of y. I will also know x plus y as 70 plus 50, 120. Why do you want to use variables formulas when you have some of the beautiful techniques that can be implemented in solving an aptitude problem?